Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to zip a file on macOS. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to compress a file so that, for example, you could send it over Gmail. I know that sometimes if files are too large, you have to send them as a Google Drive link, which can be annoying. So in this way, if you zip your file, then you'd be able to send it through an email without having to do a Google Drive link. So yeah, that's one of the main reasons why you'd like to zip a file. So I'll be showing you how to zip a file on macOS. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I've got my folder that I want to zip/compress here on my screen. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the folder, and then you're going to press the control button and your cursor. So basically you're going to right click, and from all of these options, as you can see, you have the option here to compress it. So just say compress, and there you go, it creates a zipped file. And yeah, that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to zip a file on macOS, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.